oh. Naka-white cap.
Kasi ako siya, tumasa ako sa putok ha.
Participants for event number 17 and event number 18, 200 meters freestyle for secondary boys and 200 meters freestyle for secondary girls. Please proceed to the red bench now.
Nag-uusap yung dalawa, oh.
May tinalo, may
This is
tinalo.
event number 15, 50 meters backstroke for elementary boys. Swimming lane 1, we have Milano Quadrilla from SDCB. Swimming lane 2, we have Clarence Christian Day from SDCB. In lane 3, we have Rudy Robin from ISM. Lane 4, we have Santos Rafael Enrico from District 3. Lane 5, Tolentino Joshua from District 3. And lane 6, Evangelista Lawrence Debbie from CSTV. Lane 7, Palusong Axel Esique from CSTV.
Wow, may tinalo.
Bago mabasa ko. 103. Eh, nakalimutan ko.